How to remove profile picture on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. First of all, simply tap on the Messenger app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Messenger account. Once inside the Messenger app, all you have to do is tap on the menu section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings option available there. Once you tap on the settings, you'll be navigated to the Messenger profile settings. Then they tap on the camera icon available there. Once you tap on it, you can simply see there is only two options available on your screen, which are take photo or choose new photo. You cannot remove the photo directly from your Messenger because your Facebook Messenger profile picture is linked to your Facebook account. So you can't remove it directly from Messenger. So all you have to do is go to the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once inside the Facebook, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen or simply by tapping on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on it and you are in menu section, simply tap on your name at the top and here on your profile, tap on the profile picture of yours and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen in order to delete photo. Now tap on the delete photo and confirm the deletion. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.